Hello students and welcome to the video class of the third lecture of the chapter mathematical induction. Okay. So before discussing the problems, let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in first lecture of mathematical induction, we discuss the problems based on equality form. In second class, we discussed about some inequality form of the problems based on mathematical induction. Now, in last class, we are going to discuss the divisibility type of questions. Now let's see the questions. It is very interesting. These are very interesting questions. Some tricks here. Prove by method of induction. Question number 1. 5 to the n minus 1 is divisible by 4. Very easy. So, as per our steps, step 1 what is here? We will write here step 1, that is solution of question number 1. Solution of question number 1. That is step 1. Let P of n such that 5 to the power n minus 1 is divisible by 4. Now step 2, put n is equal to 1. Step 2, put n is equal to 1. That is what? 5 to the power 1 minus 1 which is equal to 4, which is divisible by 4. Therefore, P of 1 is, that implies P of 1 is true. Now, step 3, that is step 1, step 2 here. Now, step 3, assume P of k is true for n is equal to k. Now, that is P of k means what? 5, that is 5 to the power k minus 1 is divisible by 4. That implies you can write 5 to the power k minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to m, where m belongs to set of integer z's. Clear? Now, 5 to the power k minus 1. 5 to the power k minus 1 is equal to 4m. And we can write here, that is 5 to the power k is equal to 4m plus 1. Mark this step carefully. Keep single term in the left hand side and bring other terms on the right hand side. This is a technique to solve this type of question. So here 5 to the k minus 1 is equal to 4m. So 5 to the k is equal to what? 4m plus 1. Now we have to prove pk plus 1 is true. Now we have to prove step 4. We have to prove P of k plus 1 is true for n is equal to k plus 1. That is 5 to the power k plus 1 minus 1 is divisible by, we have to prove this, divisible by 4. Now very important steps we have, that is now 5 to the power k plus 1 minus 1. Identify and observe the marks, that is box term. What is the power of k here? 5 to the power k. Sorry, what is the power of 5 here? K. So this term expressed as power of, that is similar powers, 5 to the power k. We can write here 5 to the power k into 5. Identical power should be converted identical power in terms of from the step 3 and step 4. So in step 3 there is the power is 5 to the k. It also it is the power is 5 to the k plus 1. So break it or convert into as like what? Step 3. So this is minus 1. We know 5 to the k is from the step 3 is equal to what? 4m plus 1 into 5 here minus 1. Now apply Badmas formula, BODMAS, bracket first operating, that's 20m plus 5 minus 1. So this is equal to 20m plus 4, taking common 4. This is 5m plus 1. It is multiple of 4. It is multiple of 4. So divisible by. So divisible by 4. That is P of k plus 1 is true. Now conclusion, step 5. Step 5 is conclusion part. Conclusion, P of 1 is true, comma, P of k implies P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, P of n is true. Or this is the technique to solve. Now I will do question odd numbers and even numbers are homework for you. I will do solved here and this and this, and the even number question number events are homework for you. Homework, that is 2, 4. 2 questions are homework for you and 3 questions I will solve here. Question number 1 is now completed. Question number 1. Now question number 3. What is solution of the question number 3? Prove by method of induction 7 to the 2n plus 2 to the 3n minus 1 into 3 to the n minus 1 is divisible by 25. Step 1. Let P of n such that 7 to the power 2n plus 2 to the power 3n minus 3 into 3 to the power n minus 1 is divisible by 25 for all n belongs to set of natural number. Put step 2. Put n is equal to 1. Now P1 such that such that left hand side 7 such that is what 7 2 square 7 square plus 2 to the power 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 1 minus 1 49 plus 1 into 1 that is 50 which is divisible by 25. Step 3, assume P of k is true for n equal to k. Now P of that is 7 to the power 2k plus 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 is divisible by 25. So we can write that is implies 7 to the power 2k plus 2 into 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 divided by 25 is equal to m, where m belongs to set of integer z, or that implies 7 to the power 2k plus 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 is equal to 25 m belongs to z. Now keeping one term in the left hand side and other term in the right hand side, so keeping this first term, you may keep second term, single term in the left hand side. So either you may take this term or you may take this term in left hand side as you wish. So 7 to the power 2k is equal to 25m minus 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1. This is the required tools to prove pk plus 1. So we have to, that is step 4, we have to prove pk plus 1, p of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. That is 7 to the power 2 into k plus 1 plus 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 is divisible by 25. This is required to prove. Now this can be 7 to the power 2k plus 2 plus, this is what, k plus 1, this is 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 3, and this is k plus 1 minus 1. So this is 2 to the power 3k, this is k plus 1 bracket in, that is what, 3 into k plus 1 minus 3. So 2 to the power 3k plus 3 minus 3 into 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1. Very important of this step, very important. Here plus 3 minus 3 cancel, but you should not cancel. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, but you should not cancel, because we have to write in the form of the box. We have to write in the form of this box. What is the 7 power here? 7 to the power 2k. Here 7 to the 2k into plus 2. So this can be written as 7 to the power 2k into 7 square. Very important step. And here the what is 2 to the power here? 3k minus 3, here 3k minus 3, adjust this, plus 2 to the power 3k minus 3, and this is 2q, remain 3 here, very important. Here cancelled, plus 3 minus minus, plus 3 minus 3 cancel, but you should not be cancel here, because you should not cancel here, because we have to write in the box form here, that is 2 to the power 3k minus 3 form, otherwise the process will be lengthy. So watch carefully this step. Now here this is requirement is what, 3 to the power k minus 1, here 3 to the power k minus 1 into 3 to the power k minus 1 into 3 to the power 1, very important of this step. Now what is the value of here, 7 to the power 2k, from the box 7 to the power 2k is what, 25 m minus 2 into the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1, bracket close, into what, 7 square means 49, very important step. And this is 8 and this is 3, 24 into remaining here this term, 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1, very important step. Now this is equal to what, 25m into 49, 25m into 49 minus 49 into what, minus 49 into 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 plus 24 into 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1. Now this is equal to what, this is equal to 25m into 49, 25m into 49 minus common here 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 common, here 49 minus 24. So this is equal to 25m into 49 minus 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 into 40, that is 49 minus 24 is equal to 25. So taking common 25 here, so 25 common, that is 49m minus 2 into 3 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1, that is 25, it is multiple of 25, it is multiple of 25, therefore so it is divisible by, so it is divisible by 25. Then last step is step number 5. Step 5 is here, step 5, that is conclusion step. P1 is true, comma, P1 is true, comma, Pk implies Pk plus 1 is true, therefore P of n is true. This is solution of this type question. Okay, now another question. Prove by method of induction 7 into 5 to the 2n minus 1 plus 2 into 3 to n minus 1 is divisible by 17 for all n belongs to set of natural number. Step 1, let P of n such that 7 into 5 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 2 into 3 to the power n minus 1 is divisible by 17 for all n belongs to set of natural number. For all n belongs to set of natural number. Put n is equal to 1. Step 2, put n is equal to 1, 7 into 5, 2 minus 1, 2 into 3 minus 1, that is 7 into 5 plus 2 square, that is 4. 35 plus 4, 39, which is what? That is 3n minus 1, 2 to the power n minus 1 here, that is 35, and this is what? 3n minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2, 4, that is what? 39. So the question will be what? 3n plus 1. The question will be 3n plus 1, and this is what? 3l plus 1, this is what? 2 to the power, that is 16, and which is equal to 35 plus 16 is equal to 51, which is divisible by what? 17. Step, that implies P of 1 is true. Now step 3. Assume P of k is true for n is equal to k. So 7 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 2 into 3 to the power k plus 1 is divisible by 17. That implies 7 into 5 to the 2k minus 1 plus 2 3k plus 1 divided by 17 is equal to m belongs to set of integer. Now this is equal to 7 into 5 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 2 into 3k plus 1 is equal to 17m, keeping single term in left side. Now this is what? 7 into 5 to the power 2k minus 1 is equal to 17m minus 2 to the power 3k plus 1. This is box form. It is very important to prove pk plus 1 is true. Now we have to prove, that is step number 4. Step 4, we have to prove P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true for n is equal to k plus 1. That is to prove 7 into 5 to the power 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 into 3 into k plus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 17. So now this can be written as 7 into 5 to the power 2k plus 2 minus 1 and plus 2 to the power 3k plus 3 plus 1. We have to write the similar powers. Here 5 to the power 2k minus 1. So convert it 5 to 2k minus 1. So 7 into 5 to the power 2k minus 1 into where? 5 square. And here 2 to the power what? See the box. 2 to the power 3k plus 1. So write plus 2 to the power 3k plus 1 into 2q. Now this is equal to, and put the value of this term from the box. So what? 17m minus 2 to the power 3k plus 1 into here 25, and this is what? 8 into 2 to the power 3k plus 1. Now multiplying this 17m into what? 17m into 25 minus 25 into 2 to the power 3k plus 1 plus 8 into 2 to the power 3k plus 1. Now take common here. Now take common here 2 to the power 3k plus 1. Here also 2k. 2 to the power 3k plus 1. This is equal to 17m plus 1 into 25. My common here 2 to the power 3k plus 1 common. Then it is 25 minus 8, which is equal to 17. So this is equal to 17m into 25 minus 17 into what? 17 into 2 to the power 3k plus 1. Taking common 17 here, that is equal to 25m minus what? 2 to the power 3k plus 1, which is multiple of 17. So divisible by 17. That implies P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. And the last step is conclusion step, step number 5. That is conclusion step. Conclusion. P of 1 is true. P of k implies P of k plus 1 is true. This is common for all proof. Okay. Therefore, Pn is true. For Pn is true. This is the solution of this question. Now, another question. Now, prove by method of induction 3 into 2 to the 3 to the power 3 to the power 2 into n minus 2 plus 7 is divided by 8 for n greater than 2. Step 1, let P of n is equal to 3 to the power 2 n minus 2 plus 7 is divisible by 8 n greater than equal to 2, n belongs to n. Now step to put n is equal to, very important step. Here condition is what? N greater than 2 condition. So put n is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2. So this is 3 and this is 3 to the 0 plus 7, that is 1 plus 7, 8, which is divisible by 8. That implies P of 1 is true. Step 3, assume P of k is true for n is equal to k. Now that is 3 to the power 2 into k minus 2 plus 7 is divisible by 8. That implies 3 to the power 2 into k minus 2 plus 7 by 8 is equal to m belongs to z. That implies 3 into 3 to the power 2 k minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 8m, and 3 into 2 to the power k minus 2 is equal to 8m minus 7, keeping one term in left hand side. Okay, now this is the tool to prove the pk plus 1. Step 4, that is we have to prove step 4, we have to prove P of k plus 1 is true. Now that is 3 to the power 2 into k plus 1 minus 2. Okay, so plus 7 is divisible by 8. Now 3 to the power 2k plus 2 minus 4 plus 7. Arrange as per step 3. The power of 3 is what? 2k minus 2. So this can be written as 2k minus 4 into 2 square plus 7. And what is the value of here? That is, we can write 3 into 2 k minus 2, that is 4 plus 7. What is the value of this term? What is the value of this term? What is the value of this term? From the box it is what? 8m minus 7 into 4 plus 7, that is 32m minus 28 plus 7, that is equal to 32m minus what? This is divisible by 8, so this is 28 minus 7, that is 6. Okay, so this is what? 28 minus 7, that is 11. You have to prove that this is divisible by what? Divisible by 8. So this is 2 square means what? 4, and this is what? This is 28m minus what? 8m minus, this is sorry, that is what? Here 3 to square. Thus this will be 9. So this will be 9. That is 72. This will be what? 9. So this is what? 72. This is what? 72. That is, or you can write 8m into 9 minus 63 plus 7. So this is minus 63 plus 7 is what? That is 56. 56 plus 7, that is 63. So 8m into 9, this is minus what? 56. Okay. So taking common here 8. Taking common here 8. So 8 common, that is 9m minus 7. 9m minus 7. That is 63 plus 7, that is minus 56. So taking 8 common, it is multiple. So it is divisible by what? Divisible by 8. That implies P of k plus 1 is true. Now conclusion step number 5. Step 5, that is conclusion step. Conclusion, that is P of 1 is true. Pk implies Pk plus 1 is true. Therefore what? P of n is true. This is solution of question number, that is 4. Note product of n consecutive numbers is divisible by n factorial. For example, suppose 101, 102, 103 is divisible by 3 factorial. That is 101 into 102, 103 is divisible by 3 factorial means what? That is 6, divisible by 6. Now another type question, that is, we'll discuss another type of question number 5. Prove by method of induction. Prove by method of induction. Prove by method of induction n into n plus 1 into n plus 5 is divided by 6. Step 1, let P of n is equal such that n into n plus 1 into n plus 5 is divisible by 6. So, put step 2, put n is equal to 1. So, 1 into 1 plus 2, 1 plus 5, that is 2 into 6, that is 12, is divisible by 6. Step 3, assume P of k is true for n is equal to k. Now that is what? K into k plus 1 into k plus 5 is divisible by 6. That implies k into k plus 1 k plus 5 divided by 6 is equal to m, where m belongs to set of integer z. Now k into k plus 1 into k plus 5, k plus 5 is equal to 6m. This is the term. This is the required tool to prove pk plus 1 is true. Now pk plus 1, step 4 is what? Step 4 is we have to prove P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. Now that is to prove k plus 1 to k plus 2 into k plus 6 is divisible by what? 6. Now arrange k plus 1 k plus 2 into k plus 6. Our requirement is what? K plus 1, k into k plus 1. Here k plus 1 and k plus 5 is also requirement. Here k, and we can get here k plus 1 form. So write this is k plus 2 separate, and this is what? K plus 1, write this, and for this we can write k plus what? 5, k plus 5 plus 1. Now multiply k with this term, this and this. So this is equal to what? K plus 1 into k plus 5. Now here this multiply. Now what happens here? Now k into k plus 1 into k plus 5. Now remaining here, that is 2 into k plus 1 2 into k plus 1. Here k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 plus what? K. Mark this. This is equal to what? Our requirement is k into k plus 1 into k plus 5. So what is our requirement here? Arrange and this term accordingly the box here. That is what? We can write, first write k plus 2, first write here k plus 2 into k plus 1 into k plus 5. Then what? This is equal to k plus 2 into what? K plus 1 in this. Now arrange like for the box, k into k plus 1 into k plus 5. So k into k plus 1 into k plus 5. Now for 2 into and this 2 into what? 2 into k plus 1 into k plus 5 into k plus 5, and this is what? K plus 2 into k plus 1. Now this is equal to what? This is equal to 6m plus, take common here k plus 1, 2 into and 2 into what? K plus 1 common, k plus 1 common, and k plus 1 common, and this is what? K plus here, that is 2 into k plus 1, k plus 2, correct, and this will be what? K plus 1 common, that is what? K plus 1 common, that is 2k plus 10, 2k plus 10, 2k plus 10, and this is k plus 2, k plus 2. Now 6m plus k plus 1 into 3k plus 12, 3k plus 12, this is 3k plus 12, taking 3 common here, that is what? 6m plus k plus 1, taking 3 common, and this is k plus 6. So it is divisible by, this is k plus 1 and k plus 6, or we can write here, that is what? 6m plus 3 into k plus 1 into k plus 18 into k plus 1. So this is divisible, multiple of 2 consecutive numbers. So this is what? 6m, and this is 3 into 2 lambda, because this is divided by 2. Product of what? 2 consecutive number, it is divided by 2 factorial, and this is 18 into k plus 1. So taking common 6 here, m plus lambda plus 3 is divisible by 6, divisible by 6. So the final conclusion step is what? Step 5, p of 1 is true, comma, p of k implies p of k plus 1 is true, therefore p of n is true. These are the concepts regarding to mathematical induction. Now some problems for homework for you. Prove by mathematical induction or method of induction 7 plus 77 plus 777 up to n digits is equal to 7 by 81 into 10 to the n plus 1 minus 9n minus 10. This is question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 are homework for you. So watch the video carefully and please work out this problem for your better performance. Please work out. Thank you. Have a nice day.